Hey there, it's Janvi and I've been doing freelancing since past year, but Web3 was completely new to me and I'm really thankful to Lipsadi and Anisha for making this course and their clear-cut guidance. I banked my first client within 2 months and it's been an amazing journey, especially the course design from where to get started, what resources to learn from and how to implement them in form of tasks and getting reviewed by the industry experts when building portfolio. It's been a game changer for me. So if you are thinking of getting enrolled, just do it, don't think twice.